No fear, dear. Summer is here. And let's go for a beer. Because there is no need to wear cashmere. And somehow I feel like Shakespeare. Man, I'm so full of shit, ain't I? Man, I just love this place. You can see Mount Fuji down there. Maybe after 30 minutes or so, just by the sunset. Like I'm on a beach. It's like 30 minutes away from Tokyo. Really cool place, nice to chill. You see very few people here, right? Looks nice and cool. Lovely place. And since you're talking about summer, man, today I'm gonna talk about this shooting I did for a bag and wallet brand for their spring summer collection. Check this out. I told you in my very first video that I made an album with different pictures that I like a lot from different photographers, yeah? Some pictures that somehow give me some kind of inspiration, yeah? And I saw this setting, check this out, it's like so simple, it's like a white backdrop, maybe paper, and it looks like a sofa, the model is laying on the top of it. Hey, what a nice setting, man, so simple, yeah? So we went to the studio, got some boxes together, and the paper comes from behind, then on the top of the box, boom, and then the model sits on the box as if it was a sofa. Got a 4000K HMI straight to the model. It's just like the light of the sun, isn't it? Straight, boom, harsh shadow. Then I told the model to pretend to be feeling really hot. And then when people feel hot, man, what kind of faces do they make? They go like, ah, fuck, it's hot, isn't it? That's what I told the model to come up with her expressions, like, and she managed to do it pretty well, yeah? Look at all her expressions, man. It's like, I can tell that she's feeling hot.
She tried to take me upstairs for a ride. She had to hit me right across her shoulder. 'Cause I just can't seem to drink you off my mind. It's the hard, get down women.
So simple to do, just one spot straight to the girl. You can do that with a 500 watt photo flood kind of lamp against a white backdrop. It's very simple setting, and direct your model to come out with the expressions that you want. In my case, it's the summer look. And yeah, man, it took me so long to make another video because I was watching the soccer games and then it was still hot. You know, nobody wants to stand in front of a camera when it's still hot, right? Man, the sunset. Dun, 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 dun.
Nada do que foi será de novo do jeito que já foi um dia. Tudo passa, tudo sempre passará.
In my previous video, I said that the following video, in this case, this one, was gonna be about how to become a fashion photographer. I lied, man. It became a bit more complicated than I thought. And I want to make that video right, nice one, you know what I mean? Explaining in details how you can do it. If I manage to do it, you can manage it too. But I want to tell you details, yeah? I just don't want to upload a simple video to YouTube telling you how to do it because it's a bit more complicated than that. It's not that complicated, but hey, you know, it needs a bit of effort, right? And yeah, let's enjoy the sunset, man. Hope you enjoy your summer, wherever you are in the world. And I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna post next week because I might lie again, so, you know. Right. Enjoy your summer, Jack. Pias.